Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today we're going to do a little bit something different because I actually didn't even post these videos yet. I sold the Snow-Tek Ariens before I could finish the series, and in the process, I got commissioned to build another one. Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys remember that I did pick up a Snow-Tek Ariens, running and driving for a very good deal. It just didn't have electric start. I did not know they came with electric start. It's an older model. So I need to get that going. It's running and driving. I need to restore it. In the process, I'm going to restyle it, modify the impeller, tune it up, royal purple synthetic oil change. Now, I'm not going to do a build like I usually do because I just did it back to back, even though it's an older model. The only thing different that I'm going to do is if you guys remember, I picked this Ariens up in Brooklyn. I ended up getting this thing for $100. Now this thing would run and die, but it took like forever to get it to that point. Long story short, we have oil pissing out of the exhaust. So this motor is Dunsky. This motor has electric start. So my plan is to take the electric start off of the Ariens, put it on the Snow-Tek, and if that happens, I have this machine sold for $380. If I can't do that, then we're gonna go back to the drawing boards and maybe get $350, $300 out of this guy. So yeah, let me get these off the trucks. Let me get this off the truck and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so this is where we're at. Skid shoes. We will rectify that. Give this thing a good cleaning. Take care of some of this rust, especially at the bottom here. You know, this too, everything's gonna get sprayed. Restyle the rims. Like I said, here's the electric start. So this is the 2 bolts of the electric start. Here's your cover. And if I remember correctly, I pulled this off the flywheel. It isn't geared, so I have to replace everything. So these 2 bolts here, you see that? Look at this Ariens here. Bolt here. Oh. And another bolt there. So let's see. We have one on the bottom. Yes. It's going to share that hole right there. So I think we're going to be good to go. I'm going to pull this cover off. Looks like 3/8, and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so I got the wheels off. I started to polish the shafts, but as you guys can see, right? Look at all this paint bubbling. See, this is what we got to get rid of. I don't know what happened. And even here, hopefully there's no rust holes. I'm gonna be pissed. So I gotta take care of all of this. Look at this. But now here's the crazy part. If you guys remember the newer machine, right? That was 136cc. Look at this one. 208cc. It's even gonna pack a punch for its size. Wow. And just all along here. Look at that. What the hell, man? I wonder. It is what it is. Alright, so I figure I'd give you guys an update. Start stripping away, start throwing down some paint. Alright guys, so just start doing paint work on the wheels. Painting both sides so they're nice and even. Now remember the skid shoes. I got them off, these are real. We're going to reuse these. And remember, what you do to one side, you're going to have to do the other so it's uniform. So I'll show you what I'm going to do. Alright, so I don't mean to jump around, but I forgot to turn on the air compressor. So what I did is I started to pull the electric start off. This is going to be a lot easier than I thought. Look at this, electric start is off. Check this out. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. This flywheel is geared. So all I have to do is figure out where to mount this right here. See these two screws? I gotta figure something out. Let me get that electric started and then I'll start my mounting point. Let's check this out. Air cap, 6265. Straight 90, one-hand operation. See that? Now we just save these skid shoes. Good side down, new side up. See that? Uniformity. So we'll clean these up, throw some paint on. Alright, so here we are with the electric start. I got it mounted up. It works. But look. There's no place to put this at all. If we go back to this area, I might take this cover off and cut it right here. Use these two bolts or whatever, and we're going to reuse this mounting bolt. Now I thought about I'm going to pull off this whole plate. I'm going to see what this undoes, because I might even just convert this whole structure onto there. We'll see. It's a little bit different. The fuel shut-off valve is over here, and on that machine it's further back over here. So let me pull it off and see what happens. Alright, so here's the update. I am going to swap gas tanks and covers from machine to machine with the fuel line, because then that housing will bolt right up. That's the game plan. It should be nice and easy. So already got one tank off. I got to take this engine cover off because we got to expose a bolt right here, and this tank should come right off. Nice and easy. All right, so this is where we're at. This is the gas tank off the newer Ariens. Bolts right up. Even the fuel lines. I took the fuel line and the tank off. Slides right in, no problem. Gonna slap the cover on. Gonna swap out this gas cap, and see you guys in a little bit. It's actually turning out really, really well. This one actually has a charging coil, but I'm gonna look online to make sure to see if the new motor does come with one. I know when I did Briggs, I swapped the Briggs before in the past. The Briggs actually did not come with the charging coil. I had to swap that over. So I don't want to lose that. Just remember, this one comes with the light, that one doesn't. I'm doing this out of courtesy. I don't have to, but might as well while I'm there. I don't like to hold on to parts. So that's it. I'll see you when it's all buttoned up. All right, so let's just talk about paint real quick. This is the engine cover. This is flat black. This is the paint that I'm using, Quick Color. You could buy this at Home Depot. It's 98 or 97 cents a can. They go down a little light. This is my second coat. If you buy these, do yourself a favor, just buy a whole case. Don't buy one or two cans, just buy a whole case. Unless you're doing one project and you don't plan on doing more. This is really, really nice. But this is expensive. But this is worth its weight in gold. It's 4-in-1. It's a primer. Well, it's a primer, paint, rust preventer, and it's a shine. It's also gas resistant too as well. So it's pretty good when you're painting the body of a snowblower. If the owner ever decides to leak gas, it won't show that the machine's been repainted or reconditioned at some point. All right, guys, drum roll, the finished product. All black everything. All black everything. This is gonna be one badass 20-inch Snow-Tek. Because remember, this one has a 208cc engine on it. And this is the part I'm talking about. I already talked to him. He says that's fine. So the only thing now I have to do is order belts because one of the auger belt has a nick in it. But that's it. I guess now I'm gonna have to make a how-to video on how to replace the belts on this thing. So there will be a part 2. If you guys found this video helpful, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and guess what? See you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Later.